Today, we're talking about how to use AI to speed up your editing workflow. Let's jump in. So I thought it'd be fun as an editor of 20 years to take a look at some of the tools that I use to speed up my editing workflow on a day-to-day basis. And one of the services that I like to use is called VEED, V-E-E-D. I'll also put a link in the description so you can click on there and go into that. But I just want to talk specifically about the types of things that I use AI for to help speed up the workflow. And one of the first ones that I lean on is subtitle generating. In VEED, they have a AI version of subtitles. And I don't think that I need to tell you that subtitles just add an extra layer of usability to your videos, but also a lot of people watching videos online are watching them muted or their volumes down. So you want to be able to add that in there. So I just have a video here in my timeline that from another project that I was working on, but you can upload any video that you're working with in there. And when you click on the AI tools up here on the top, you can see, you scroll down through here and you see subtitles. Now on the free plan, it goes up to 2 minutes. So again, if you want to do more than that, you'll need to upgrade. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shrink this video down below 2 minutes just so that we can get an idea of what this looks like. And then all you need to do is you just click auto subtitle in English, and you can even change translation or change if you have multiple speakers, like on a podcast or something like that. But just for example, we're going to show you auto subtitle. And it really just takes a few seconds, depending on the length of your video, to generate those subtitles. Then you have options for what you want that to look like. So let's just say we want something like this. And these are more stylized. These aren't necessarily just closed caption. These actually have a little bit more of a look and feel. And, you know, I kind of like that one. And then when you go back, you could see what that looks like here. And there you go. And then you can see the titles and the text that comes right up there on the screen is pretty handy. So just that easy. I mean, I cut out cost of having somebody do it and the time to do it. I remember having to send videos to a VA and, you know, on a good day, I might get it by the end of the day. Or, you know, if I paid extra, I could get it expedited. But this is just literally a couple of clicks of the button and boom, I got it. It's done. So that's a great tool to use with AI. The next AI tool that I'm going to talk about is Clean Audio. Here on VEED, you can go into the AI tools again, and Clean Audio, all you need to do is click that dial and it's going to clean up this whole audio, and it's going to be automatically detecting background noise or things that you don't want in there. And you don't need to be a sound engineer. It's literally just flicking that switch to say, hey, can you clean up this audio for me? And it takes care of the rest. The next tool that I use pretty frequently is to remove a background. And you can go in here, and when you're in the video editing feature, we're just going to scroll down through here and we're looking for remove background right there. And you click that. And again, it just takes a little bit of time to process this, and it will cut out the background so that you could put your image on other things. And there you go. With that, we've now cut the background out. Now we could add a different background. Let's say we just want a color back there, whatever you want. And it's pretty good. It's pretty clean. I mean, you go through here, skip around, look at different frames. It's got a nice clean cut right around there. And again, something that's very time consuming, but now there's AI tools like VEED to do that for you. Now, the next tool that I use is to use AI to generate images or audio or screenshots, photos. So let's say I'm looking for a very specific photo, you know, somebody walking a dog in the country. Built right within VEED is ask AI to create a very specific element for you that maybe you need as B-roll or as a background or something like that. So to do that, we're just going to jump in here to AI tools. We're going to go down here to generate. We're going to go to images. We're going to click on that. You add your prompt in here, exactly what you're looking for, all the details. You can change the aspect ratio you want, and then you just click on generate. It just takes a few moments, and there you go. Now you have this specific video that you can now download. It's now yours to use, and we'll just drop it into the video here. And there you go. Now you got this video. And along those lines, you can also generate voiceovers. So let's say you have a product, you don't want to have to record. I record a lot of voiceovers, but again, it's time consuming. I have to sit down and read through the script, and every mistake I have to re-record, not to mention the editing part of it. So you can actually create an AI voiceover. So again, in the AI tools, go to AI voice. And then you could type in exactly what you want. And then you could go down here and pick the voice. Maybe I want a female voice to say that rather than my own. And so you just, that easy, type in the text that you want, and you can play it back and hear what it sounds like.
Here is a new lipstick called Lemon Yellow.
Pretty good. And then just that easy. I could have hired a voice actor. I could have had them record it. I could have edited it in there, or I could just use the text to speech and get a quick voiceover without much effort. And again, all generated through AI. Incredibly useful. The next tool that I want to talk about is something that's fairly new to VEED, and there's certainly some other services out there that offer this, but this is really kind of cool. If you have a teleprompter, you can be able to look directly into the lens and read your script, and it looks like you're making eye contact with the lens. If you don't have a teleprompter, sometimes you have to put the script beside your camera and you're talking into the script, and then you have to keep darting your eyes back so that it looks like you're connecting and looking directly into the lens. But now with AI, there is actually a tool in here called eye contact. Right here under the AI tools, you see eye contact, where I can turn this on and it'll shift my eyes so that it looks like I'm looking at the camera. So right now you see my eyes are looking to the right of the frame here. And now it's going to go through and analyze this footage and actually move my eyes so that it's looking into the camera. Let's see how this works. And just like that, now my eyes are looking at the camera. Kind of a cool feature. And you look through the video and it continues to kind of look at the camera. Kind of neat, especially in this day and age with Zoom, where our camera is actually above our head and we're looking at the monitor where we're looking at, who's talking to us and that sort of thing. Now our eyes lift right within there. Really cool. These are the kind of tools that I never would have thought about 20 years ago, but now that they're here, it's an incredibly useful tool. I encourage you to click the link in the description to get VEED for yourself and take a look at it. Play around with some of these tools. They're really powerful and they're really going to help speed up your editing workflow. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.